Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us. Hi, welcome to Test Prep Training. Today, we will discuss about Board Certified Assistant Behavior Analyst Tutorial and Preparatory Guide. Let's see how you can start preparing for the exam. The Board Certified Assistant Behavior Analyst is an undergraduate level certification in behavior analysis. Professionals certified at the BCaBA level provide behavior analytic services under the supervision of a board certified behavior analyst. Professionals certified at the BCaBA level may not provide behavior analytic services without the supervision of a BCaBA, however they may supervise the work of registered behavior technicians. Exam objectives: 1. Basic behavior analytic skills. 2. Client-centered responsibilities. The Board Certified Assistant Behavior Analyst Examinations exam partner is Pearson VUE. It consists of multiple choice questions. This is a computer-based exam with a total time duration of 4 hours. And the number of questions asked are 140. Fee structure: 1. Certification application is $175. 2. Examination retake application is $120. 3. Examination appointment, paid to Pearson VUE, is $125. 4. Preliminary coursework evaluation is $100. Prerequisites: the prerequisite examination for BCaBA is Registered Behavior Technician Exam. RBT is a high school level paraprofessional certified in behavior analysis. RBT certification was originally designed for settings in which a BCaBA or BCaBA is already providing behavior analysis services. Thus, applying to become an RBT is most likely to occur after the applicant has been employed by the organization in which they will continue their work, assisting qualified BCaBA and/or BCaBA in their service delivery activities. Retake policy: you may retake the examination for a maximum of 8 total attempts within a 2-year period following your initial examination approval. An examination retake application will be available online via your BCaBA account within 48 hours of each failed examination attempt. You must pay a $120 retake application fee and a $125 examination appointment fee. Each time you retake the examination, you'll have to wait for 30 days to retake the examination following your previous attempt. Recertification policy: as a BCaBA, you are required to submit a recertification application, including payment, every 2 years. Recertification applications are available in your BCaBA account within 45 days of your recertification date, and as soon as you have entered your required CEU. You must complete your recertification application on or before your recertification date to avoid lapses in your certification and late fees. Course outline: Section 1, Basic Behavior Analytic Skills. Section 2, Client-Centered Responsibilities. Section 3, Foundational Knowledge. Now, let's discuss about Preparatory Guide. 1. Review the content areas. Content on the BCaBA task list serves as the basis of the examination. Although the BCaBA cannot endorse specific study guides or other preparation materials, we do recommend that candidates review the task list, materials from their training, and the Professional and Ethical Compliance Code for behavior analysts, and study the content areas. 2. Behavior analytic coursework. You may obtain your behavior analytic coursework through one of 2 sources: A. ABAI, accredited undergraduate program. B. Verified course sequence. 3. Involve and engage with the community. Get involved and engaged with your behavior analytic community. This might include joining or volunteering with your local, regional, or national professional associations and groups focused in your area of interest. You will likely learn a lot and have an opportunity to contribute to behavior analysis and its consumers. 4. Practice tests. Practice tests are built to keep up with the progress of the preparation. Not only that, but also to make students familiar with the exam in real-time environment. Preparing along with giving practice tests is a really important step towards your journey to clear the exam. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.